Ever wondered why some products, even with great features, fail to make a mark, while others, with seemingly simple features, become a smashing success? The secret might lie not in what's in the product, but how it's developed. Welcome to the world of lean product development, a strategy that's changing the way companies, big and small, bring their products to life. Imagine a scenario where a company spends months or even years developing a product only to realize that the market doesn't want it. Sounds like a nightmare, right? This is where the concept of lean product development comes in. It's all about reducing waste, increasing speed, and most importantly, ensuring that the product being developed is what the market actually wants. Consider the example of Dropbox, a leading cloud storage service. When they started, instead of spending months developing a full-fledged product, they created a simple video demonstrating how the product would work. The video generated significant interest, and this validated their idea. They had a market for their product even before they had a product. That's lean product development in action. Now, think about Toyota, a company known for its efficient production system. They have a concept called set-based concurrent engineering. Instead of choosing one design and sticking to it, they develop multiple designs simultaneously, delay the final decision until the last possible moment, and then choose the best one. This approach reduces waste, increases flexibility, and improves the final product quality. Lean product development isn't just about reducing waste or speeding up the process, it's also about learning and continuous improvement. Spotify, the popular music streaming service, is a great example of this. They work in small, autonomous teams called squads. Each squad is responsible for a specific feature of the product, and they work in short cycles, releasing updates frequently. This way, they can learn from each update, make improvements, and continuously evolve the product. So, what can we take away from all this? Lean product development is about developing products in a smarter, faster, and more efficient way. It's about validating ideas before investing heavily in them. It's about being flexible and open to change. And it's about learning and improving continuously. Remember Dropbox? They validated their idea before building the product. Remember Toyota? They increased flexibility and reduced waste by developing multiple designs simultaneously. And remember Spotify? They embraced continuous learning and improvement by working in small autonomous teams and releasing updates frequently. In the end, it's not just about developing a product. It's about developing a product that the market wants in the most efficient way possible. That's the power of lean product development. So, the next time you're working on a product, think lean. It might just be the secret to your product success. Thanks for tuning into Demystify Tech. If you found this insightful, consider subscribing for more content like this. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep demystifying the world of tech.